Hello everybody, this is Aryan Thakkar and welcome back to my YouTube channel on Aryan Tutorials. And in this video, I'm going to take up the continuation of the phrasal verbs and the prepositions. So in my previous video, I had done till number 22 and I think in this video, I'm going to cover up till number 100. ठीक है? So चलो, let's get started. मैं आपको मीनिंग भी बताते जाऊंगा एक एक फ्रेजल वर्ब का. द बर्गलर्स ब्रोक डैश द हाउस व्हेन द फैमिली वाज अवे. इट हैज टू बी ब्रोक इनटू. ब्रोक इनटू यानी किसी के घर में घुसपैठ करना. ठीक है. द बर्गलर्स ब्रोक इनटू द हाउस. आई शैल compete with him. That means I am going to be a rival to him. I am going to compete against him, but technically we use I shall compete with him. Against is also correct over here, but then against ऐसा लगेगा कि एकदम you are an absolute rival. He is an absolute opposition to you. ठीक है? So compete with him. She agreed to my proposal. Now इसमें सबसे ज्यादा confusion देखा जाता है. आप प्लीज इसको नोट कर लीजिएगा that you agree to something, you agree with someone and you agree on a common ground. ठीक है. जब म्यूचुअल अग्रीमेंट होता है then we say we agree on. When we agree dash a person then we say agree with. And if we have to agree dash something then we say agree to something. So यहाँ पे context proposal है इसीलिए agree to होगा. ठीक है. The Vishwas group of companies has taken dash means they have taken the control. They have captured the entire market. So they have taken over the cosmetic market completely. Next one, she would like to come. It is on foot. बहुत बार मैंने देखा है बच्चे ये लिख के आ जाते हैं by foot. By is incorrect. It has to be she would like to come on foot. ठीक है? Please remember that. He agreed to carry dash the manager's orders. That means execute, fulfill. So carry out. ठीक है? Perform, execute, fulfill, carry out. The printer ran out of ink means there is no more ink left in the printer. Then please sort this issue out. Like हम लोग नहीं बोलते please sort out this matter before you come into room. So please sort this issue out. ठीक है. चलिए moving to the next one. He does not like to take dash the responsibility of caring for a large family. Take on the responsibility means he is not interested in taking up sort of a responsibility, but then up is not a common context that we use. यहाँ पे हम लोग बोलेंगे take on the responsibility. ठीक है. Take up basically कोई hobby या कोई और context में लेते हैं. Like I would like to take up dancing as my side course. उस केस में जब कहीं पे चॉइस आता है तब वहां पे टेक अप का ज्यादा यूज करते हैं हम लोग. आई कैनॉट डू एनीथिंग कॉफी के बिना सुबह. सो आई कैनॉट डू एनीथिंग विदाउट कॉफी इन द मॉर्निंग. ठीक है. यू गेटिंग थ्रू द डे कंफर्टेबली डिपेंड्स ऑन योर ब्रेकफास्ट. आपने क्या खाया है इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट कि हाउ कंफर्टेबल विल यू बी थ्रू आउट योर डे टाइम. द डॉग स्नैच द सैंडविच फ्रॉम माई प्लेट. एकदम मेरे नाक के अंदर से नाक के नीचे से लेके चला गया. सो इट इज लाइक अंडर माई वेरी नोज. ठीक है. दिस इज द पेस्ट्री यू नीड टू वॉच आउट for. You need to look for, watch out for, flaky and buttery. Let us do away with cooking. Do away means just, खाना नहीं बना के बाहर से कुछ मंगा लेते हैं. So let's just get done with this for today. So let us do away with cooking and order double cheese pizza. I need to cut down means reduce in quantity. Cut down on salt to control my escalating, increasing hypertension. And next one, get this spider. इसको हटाओ यहां से. So it is like he is on my shirt. Just get it off my blazer. ठीक है. Or else I'll scream. We are giving an unexpected party for her. So do not give our surprise away. So give away our surprise क्या होगा? Meaning क्या होता है इसका? Give our surprise away means to leak. ठीक है, टू लीक, सो डू नॉट गिव आवर सरप्राइज अवे, किसी को बता मत देना. योर बैग मे बी अ Chanel, बट इट डजंट गो विथ योर Reebok sneakers. अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है Reebok sneaker के साथ. कीप अवे फ्रॉम द कुकीज, ठीक है, दूर रहो कुकीज से, और यू विल नॉट बी हंग्री फॉर डिनर, यू वोंट बी हंग्री फॉर डिनर. I am not well, I am little dash the weather. Now this is an idiom, ठीक है, it's an idiomatic phrase. So it means कि मेरा थोड़ा सा तबीयत खराब है, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं I am little under the weather, ठीक है, under the weather. I always mix my prepositions up. This is what happens with most of the ISC students, ठीक है. The phrasal verbs, they are a bit complicated to understand. I always mix my prepositions up. When experienced salesmen bargain with customers, they do so skillfully. अच्छे से वो लोग करते हैं. The authorities came down on black marketers during the epidemic, ठीक है. Authorities came down means they had taken some strict action against black marketers. That is, in the law context, we say that authorities came down on them, or I'll call down authorities on you. That is how we say. ठीक है. Next, Roma acted dash her part so well that everyone cheered. Acted out means she performed. ठीक है, she performed her part really well that everybody cheered for her. Susan hunted for her watch everywhere, but she could not find it. ठीक है, she was looking out for her watch everywhere, but she could not find it. The escaping militants were hunted down, means they were found out by the army helicopters. So basically, the militants had to surrender, so they were hunted down by the helicopters. Hari's mother scolded him for lingering around the school, or lingering in the school, or lingering. No, I think these two are the only accepted preposition. Lingering around the school or lingering in the school after school hours were over. ठीक है, lingering around means वो घूम रहा था school premises के आसपास या school के अंदर ही. Now next one, the useless superstitions lingers on. Lingers on का मतलब क्या होता है? It persists. अभी भी लोक में मान्यता है इस चीज को. सुपरस्टिशन मीन्स अंधविश्वास की. इट लिंगर्स ऑन मीन्स इट परसिस्ट्स. मान्यता है कुछ पार्ट ऑफ द सोसाइटी में. ठीक है. द क्लास वॉज पुल्ड अप फॉर, पुल्ड अप मीन्स यू नो दे वर कॉट फॉर देयर नॉइजी बिहेवियर, सो दे वर पुल्ड अप फॉर बीइंग नॉइजी. द प्रोजेक्ट हैज फॉलन डैश, इट मीन्स फेलियर. यहां पे जो लगेगा failure, so it has fallen through. Fallen through means it failed for the lack of funds. Want of fund means for the lack of fund. I have been told that two friends have now fallen out, means they have separated. ठीक है, they have separated, they have fallen out. चलिए next one. Arjun differed from my views. ठीक है, we were different from each other in our views. So he differed from my views as we were quite the opposite, as his were quite the opposite of mine. His were means his opinion were opposite of mine. So we differed from each other in our views. Doctor, I hope you can cure him. Cure के साथ fixed preposition, cure him of this illness. ठीक है. I've seen a lot many times students use from, that is incorrect. Cure from नहीं होता है, cure of होता है. ठीक है. Why must you jump dash the conclusion? चलिए इसको learn कर लीजिए. You always jump to the conclusion and we always jump at an offer. इसमें क्योंकि बहुत confusion होता है लोगों को कि जंप टू द कंक्लूजन होता है, जंप एट द ऑफर होता है. बहुत बार बच्चे करके आते हैं व्हाई मस्ट यू जंप एट द कंक्लूजन एंड जंप टू द ऑफर. सो गलत है वो. जंप टू कंक्लूजन एंड जंप एट यहां लगेगा. ठीक है, प्लीज इसको याद रखिएगा. आई फेल्ट क्वाइट अपसेट टू हैव टर्न We had done this, reject. So turn down such an attractive offer. It means rejected. The street vendor was run dash means truck ने आके उसको उड़ा दिया. So he was run over by a truck. ठीक है? He was collided by a truck. We were under the impression that he had gone to America, and in case इसी के context में dash the opinion अगर होता, if it had been dash the opinion, then the answer would have been of the opinion. ठीक है, इसको भी please याद रखिएगा. We were of the opinion and we were under the impression. चलिए next one. I am good at cooking. You are good at a particular thing. Also इसमें भी मैंने बहुत confusion देखा है. Supposedly अगर I am good dash arithmetic, तो फिर आएगा at arithmetic, because arithmetic is a part of a subject that is mathematics. But वहीं अगर दे दे आपको I am good dash mathematics, mathematics का कौन सा हिस्सा नहीं पता. So overall you need to say I am good in mathematics. ठीक है, good at arithmetics but good in mathematics. Please remember that. The child was quick to realize that something was wrong. Okay, it was quick of him to realize. The mothers had to separate their two children as they just could not get along each other. मतलब उन दोनों में और बनती नहीं है आपस में. So they could not get along. Next one. There are many houses in the valley, but there are not so many on the hill. या फिर up the hill, आप दोनों का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Both are correct. ठीक है. Though he was new at his job, the boss had a great confidence in his ability. He had great confidence उसकी काबिलियत में. So in his ability. Billy's anger soon died down. So it is like, हम लोग बोलते हैं calm down. So it died down. उसका anger शांत हो गया. It had mellowed down. ठीक है. His anger had pacified. So died down. Anil parted dash his team in good spirits. Anil parted from his team in good spirits. And please अब इसको याद रख लीजिएगा that you always part from some people and you always part with something. ठीक है. You part from someone and you part with something. ठीक है. चलिए. Sarah has a partiality dash cats as pets. She has a partiality for cats as pet. ठीक है. And she is partial अगर होता partiality की जगह she is partial to cats आप बोल सकते थे. ठीक है. partial रहेगा तो partial to होगा, partiality है तो partiality for हो जाएगा. चलिए next one. She dispensed with her old textbooks. Now इसमें भी याद रख लीजिएगा that you always dispose of single F, you always dispense with, and you discard away. ठीक है. All three means the same thing, but then it goes by different preposition. And please इस पे double F मत लिख के आइएगा, that is incorrect. I don't know आपके स्कूल टीचर्स ने अभी तक आपको ये क्यों नहीं बताया, but dispose के साथ single OF जाता है, single off. ठीक है. चलिए next. The artist persists on painting landscape even if they are not in vogue. Persists on means to continue to paint something even though it is out of fashion. Not in vogue means out of fashion. So persists on means to continue to do something. ठीक है. Next. Most of the victims of the earthquake are safe and in recovery. They are recovering. ठीक है. In recovery. Next. Please tell the ambulance to stand dash means to be ready anytime. To stand by. Please keep it on standby. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना ऐसे standby पे रखो अभी उस एप्लीकेशन को, क्या पता जरूरत पड़ जाए उसका. So keep the ambulance on standby in case if there is an emergency. ठीक है. People must learn from their mistakes. लोगों को अपनी गलतियों से सीखनी चाहिए, ठीक है, from their mistakes. The director easily bore down. So bore down means he endured. वो सह लिया सारे opposition को. He bore down all the opposition. Next, it is getting dash that he is to be dismissed soon. It is getting around. Getting around means rumors are spreading. ठीक है? So it is getting around means that the rumors are spreading. He is to be soon dismissed. So getting around. His suggestions, I think कुछ mistake हुआ है. His suggestions dash कुछ यहाँ छूट गया है. It's been left out, so मैं इसको हटा दे रहा हूँ. ठीक है? चलिए next one. Keep on trying. कोशिश करते रहिए until you're tired. That goes for you all. कोशिश करते रहिए, अभी आपका पार हो जाएगा ISC. ठीक है? Keep on trying until you are tired. His pupils dash to him. Now there is some context missing. I think look होना चाहिए. His pupils look dash to him. So यहाँ पे up हो जाएगा. ठीक है? His pupils look up to him means admire. ठीक है? His pupils look dash to him, admire him. Winter has set in means it has arrived early this year. Winter has set in, it has arrived early this year. Next, if you pull dash, you will succeed means if you pull through. अगर ये फेज पार कर गए आप जरूर जीत जाएंगे. So if you pull through, I've seen many students writing up over here. Please do not do so. That is incorrect. So if you pull through, you will succeed. ठीक है? He was quite dashed by her charming look. Oh, there's a mistake यहाँ पे जो हुआ है. Actually, this is the preposition and इधर होना था he was quite surprised by her charming manners. ठीक है? Surprise लगेगा. Mistake हो गया है. Sorry for that. Next, the mill turns dash 1000 yards of cloth every year. Turns out means the mill produces. ठीक है? Produces. Turns out. Talk this proposal dash with your partner. So talk this proposal over with your partner and tell me what you have decided. Let's talk it over a cup of coffee. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना? Talk it out नहीं होगा यहाँ पे, but talk it over होगा. ठीक है? Let's talk it over. उस पे सलाह मशवरा करते हैं, चर्चा करते हैं, विवाद करते हैं, बातचीत करते हैं. Surprised by the noise, the judge called for silence. ठीक है? He was surprised by the noise. Next one. Tina's parents are not happy with her behavior. ठीक है? They are not happy with her behavior, the way she behaved. Next, the colonel congratulated the soldiers on their victory. Not for. I have seen many a time students using for. Please do not use for. It is incorrect. On their victory. He is not afraid of the consequences. The planet was seen through the telescope, not from the telescope. I have seen many a time students using from the telescope, through a telescope. Telescope के आर पार आप देख रहे हैं. ठीक है? So it's through the telescope, through the window. Got it? Soham rushed into the class. Now rushed है, movement है, इसीलिए into, he's barging into, he's getting into, not rushed in, into the class. Okay? The school is famous. The school is famous dash its academic excellence. Famous for, like it's known by its academic performance. So famous for. Do not let your name be associated with disreputable people. Means those who do not have any respect, do not associate your name with them. उनके साथ अपना नाम मत जोड़िए. ठीक है? She cannot put up. Put up means she cannot tolerate. ठीक है? She cannot put up with the suffering. Tolerate. He headed onto the train station. He headed onto the train station. He fell asleep. Now you can use during as a phrasal verb over here, or you can also use after the film show. ठीक है? He fell asleep during or after. The temperature outside was, either you can use above 45 degree or below also works. Above or below 45 degree. The sign hanging on the door read no smoking. It's hanging on the door. The students, sorry, this is the dress I was looking for. I was finding this dress out for myself, looking for. The students protested against new rules. उनके खिलाफ विद्रोह कर रहे थे. So they were protesting against new rules. The release of the movie has been held up due to controversy. Held up means it's under halt. रुका हुआ है, ठीक है? It's halted. So held up. And Radha is too miserly to part. अभी मैंने आपको थोड़ी देर पहले बताया, part with any money. ठीक है? You part with something and you part from someone. So I hope you like this video, and if you are liking my content, then please आपका कुछ नहीं जाएगा. आप एक छोटा सा वहां पे like button, subscribe button and share button को press कर दीजिए. It gives me a lot of motivation, and drop in the comment section below if you want me to make more such videos. It will be of great help. So I hope you have a great time preparing for your examination. All the best. My best wishes are with you all. Take care. Bye bye.